Okay, it's now time to bring out the knights. They're the horses. You can call them horses, but we call them knights. Now, they don't go in the center right here. What they do is they go where the B and the G. B and G. Right next to the castles. You can remember them by, these are the big guys. Or the bad guys. However you want to remember it. But BG. Now, these are the only ones that can actually jump. They could do that. That's what's so spectacular about these things. In fact, what they do is, well, you'll see in just one second. Okay, so here's a knight. Now, the knight moves like an L. 3 spaces. 3 spaces. An L. Okay, so it can move 1, 2, and over 1. All right? Going back here. 1, 2, over 1. Back here. 1, 2, over 1. From here. 1, 2, over 1. From here again. 1, 2, over 1. Now, if you want to, you could count it as 1, 2. For example, 1, 1, and then 1, 2. Okay? Or 1, 2, 3, like an L. So it doesn't matter if you go this way or go this way, it's the same thing. It can also go down here. I just didn't have enough stars. It can also land right here, and it can also land right there. And so look at all the places it can land. Do you notice that it's on a white? It will land on a green. 3 spaces, like an L. 1, 2, 3. So let's see the knight in action. It's white's turn. Let's say I move. Watch this. I'll move this up here. Black's turn. Let's say they move here. It's white's turn. Now watch the horse. 1, 2, 3. He can jump over his own men. And anybody. He jumps and he lands right there. Okay, 3 spaces, like an L. 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. By the way, it does not go 1, 2, 3, because that would be a U. All right? It makes an L. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now do you see what it's going to do next? It's going to capture this piece. So let's say this one moves here. Oh, don't want to get that one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's black's turn. Let's say they go 1. Remember, 1 or 2 spaces there. That's white's turn. Now watch this. 1, 2, 3. They take what they land on. They do not take what they jump over, only what they land on. So that piece is gone. Okay, now it's black's turn. Maybe black decides he's going to move his out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not good. Because now watch the white horse here. It will go 1, 2, 3. It captures it. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a big deal. Because this will just take it. So that was just kind of even trade. A horse for a horse. A knight for a knight. Okay, so I'm just going to move my knights right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So do you notice if it's on a white, like this one's on a white, 1, 2, 3. He lands on a green. This one's on a white, it's going to land on a green. It can land here. 1, 2, 3. Got it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's not good. 1, 2, 3. It's got it. Okay, so that is how they move. 3 spaces like an L. Okay, here's level 6. Now we have our knight and our rooks together. Okay, remember, these are big guys, BG. Okay, so let me just kind of start you off. White goes first. Again, get these guys out of here. Get them up front. Move them out there. This is usually the most common first move to do. And you kind of back them up. Now you can start, once you get your pawns out a little bit, go ahead and get your rooks out here. Your knights. One, 2, 3. Okay, notice it was on green, it went to a white. Okay, now don't forget, now you can, let's say it's, whose turn is it now? I lost track. All right, let's say it's black's turn. Let's get this guy out here. 1, 2, 3. Now it's white's turn. You know what? I'm going to castle. That's the best thing for me to do. So I'm going to go this side. This is called the king side, and that's the queen side. I'm going to go king side castling. Remember, you move it over 2 spaces. 1, 2, and this goes on the other side. Okay, now it's their turn. You know what? He'll probably do the same thing. Maybe he'll go this way. 1, 2. This goes on the other side. Okay, because now the king is safe. It's in safety. Okay, I'm going to start backing up some people here with my rook. Now, here comes in the bishop. Let's see, what's he going to do? Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was dumb. Well, I have a choice. I could go 1, 2, 3, but then he'd get me. I could go 1, 2, 3 and take it, but then he would take me. Now so that would not be a good move, because watch this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, but then he would take me. And look, now he's in danger. He has to leave right away. So maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's, okay, so you get the idea. That's how you probably want to start things off. Get these guys out. Next move, you'd probably want to move this guy here. No, maybe this guy right here to back him up. So if he doesn't capture it, you capture him. And remember, this guy's stuck. He can't do anything. All right, so there you go. There's level 6 right there.